Did you know that the Nazis created a military unit so brutal that even other SS officers complained about them? The Dirlewanger Brigade was made up of 4,000 convicted criminals, poachers, and mental patients. They were led by Oskar Dirlewanger, a man who had been jailed for terrible crimes against children. This unit was sent to do the worst jobs that regular soldiers refused to do. During the Warsaw Uprising, they committed unspeakable acts against innocent people. They murdered women and children for fun. They used civilians for target practice like they were playing a sick game. Dirlewanger told his men that causing fear was their weapon. The more terror they spread, the better he thought they were doing their job. Other Nazi commanders were so shocked by what this unit did that they wrote letters to their leaders asking them to stop. Over 120,000 innocent people died because of this group. They killed so many civilians across Eastern Europe that their crimes still shock historians today. When the war ended, Dirlewanger was caught and died in prison.